Hello viewers, today we will learn how to create a reflection shadow. First we will take an image and create a path for selection. In the previous video, we showed how to create a clipping path. I will put the link to that in the description box. Okay, after creating the path, press Ctrl+J to copy the layer. After that, create a new layer above the primary layer. Press Alt+Backspace. Now select the part that you need for reflection by selection tool and make it copy-click. Ctrl+J. Now, click Ctrl+T. Then, click the right button and click Rotate. After that, rotate 180 degrees. Now, select the gradient tool and apply. You can add shadow for an elegant look. To add shadow, create a new layer and use the brush tool. Then, create a layer mask for perfect shadow. After that, reduce opacity by 46%. For real reflection, you need to flip horizontal. So, press Ctrl+T, then click the right button and click Flip Horizontal. Now it's done. It's your turn to practice and let us know how it went in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Visit our website www.clippingamazon.com.